welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making chocolate and vanilla marble cake. In my small bowl I'm going to mix together plain flour, baking powder, and baking soda. In my larger bowl, I'm going to beat together the butter and sugar. I'm now going to add 3 eggs, but I'm going to add them one at a time. Finally, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'm going to add my flour a little bit at a time and adding in milk if I need to. If I don't need to add the milk when I add the flour, I will pour the milk in afterwards. I have split my mixture into 2 bowls. In my second bowl, I'm going to add chocolate. Now you can add melted chocolate or cocoa powder. I have greased my tin with butter. I'm now going to add my cake mixture, but I'm going to do it so it looks like a checkered ball. I'm going to take a spoonful of vanilla and place it in the corner. I'm then going to take a spoonful of chocolate and place it alongside, and keep repeating until I have no mixture left. I'm now going to take a skewer and I'm going to create my marble effect by dragging the skewer through my different cake mixtures to mix them together slightly. I have preheated my fan oven to 180 degrees and I'm going to bake it in the centre of the oven for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.